Alright, so this is the match we had. Was those two kids, they're both at ringers, I'm sure they flooded before. I'm going to show you my IP log of this. Hold on, IP log. This one. Right here. Hold on. That's not it. Right here. IP outlog. Protecting outgoing. That IP address 109.163.2. That's who IP blocked. I blocked it twice, but it actually hit me off at the end of the first map. Here's my Xbox. I just got back on. They met me 18 minutes ago. Yeah, they flooded me. That's my log. That should be enough proof to get the win. Just thanks.